Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prep nails with an e-file. First, ensure you have all your necessary tools, including your e-file, various bits, and a good sanitizing solution. Always begin by sanitizing both your hands and your client's hands, as well as all your implements, to maintain a hygienic environment. Next, gently push back the cuticles using a metal pusher or an orange wood stick, preparing the nail plate for the e-file work. Now, let's focus on the cuticles. Select a fine grit cuticle bit and, holding your e-file at a 0-degree angle, gently remove any dead skin around the nail plate. Remember to move slowly and with light pressure to avoid any damage. After addressing the cuticles, switch to a medium grit barrel bit to shape the free edge of the nail, creating your desired length and form with precision. For optimal product adhesion, lightly buff the entire nail surface using a fine grit sanding band. This creates a slightly textured surface without causing damage. Once buffed, thoroughly remove all dust from the nail plate with a lint-free wipe and a cleansing solution. Finally, apply a dehydrator and then a primer to the nail, ensuring it is perfectly prepared for your chosen nail enhancement product. Before moving on, take a moment to meticulously inspect each nail. Check for any lingering dust, uneven spots, or areas that might need a final touch-up. Confirm that the nail plate is completely dry and free of any natural oils, which is crucial for long-lasting product adhesion. A perfectly prepped nail is the foundation for a beautiful and durable manicure. For more great deals and to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.